Good day, Thoricians! We would like to introduce our LMS, or Learning Management System. In this video, we shall show you how to navigate Google Classroom the Thorician way. Google Classroom is an online platform designed to help teachers and students communicate and collaborate, manage paperless assignments, and stay organized. To join Google Classrooms, make sure you use our prescribed Gmail format. Your teachers will email you an invitation bearing the class code and join button. Click join to become a member of the class. You will be taken instantly to the classroom you enrolled in. Once you enter your classroom account, you will see all the courses you are enrolled in. You can also access your classroom account by typing in classroom.google.com on your search bar or clicking the classroom icon on the Apps tab. Click on a class and we will explore the three major tabs in each Google Classroom. The Stream tab is where students can view and access teacher announcements, assignments, discussion topics, and comments. If enabled by the teacher, students can leave comments, questions, or attach files and media. The Classwork tab contains all activities for the students, like homework, quizzes, and worksheets. Students can create new documents or add their own links and references. To submit completed works, simply click the Turn In or Mark is Done button. Finally, check out the People tab to check who your teacher and classmates are. Enjoy exploring the Google Classroom Thoricians. May you all have a wonderful online distance learning experience. God blesses you all.